Guys, welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a golden metal cooler from Super Dragon Ball Heroes Universe Mission. So, in case you don't remember, if you haven't saw my golden cooler video, you can check into that after this video if you want. So, anyways, when drawing it, you must know, back in Universe 3, Metal Cooler, he obtained the power of gold. he attained the power of gold when he was fighting this lady named Glass. At least I think that's her name. At least I think that's what her name is. Anyways, you see, known fact about Metal Cooler, he has this golden form that he has. He manages to obtain that form and beat his enemy with it, but unfortunately that kind of power made him overheat. At least I think it did, but it takes a while for him to use that move to power up or something. So anyways, let's finish this, shall we? So, when drawing him, you must draw his face here. Here's his lip. If you ask me, he looks a little bit like Hit. I wonder if Metal Cooler is able to use this golden form. I wonder if he's capable of using this in his 5th transformation. I believe I've seen this before in the golden. I believe I saw golden Metal Cooler. I think I saw Metal Cooler in his 5th form in a picture that my buddy Tyler showed me a while back. Anyways, let's get finishing this, shall we? Here's his neck. Anyways, here's his thigh here. Be sure to draw his abs. There's his hand. Make sure to draw these lines in his body, because he is golden metallic after all. And done. Next up, here's his arm. Here's his arm. Okay. There's the hand. There's his hand here. next thing, finally, you just gotta draw his mechanized tail. And in case you're wondering what happened to Cooler, he chased after Fu through his time portal, but I don't know what happened to Cooler afterwards. I think Fu did something to him that made him fast forward to his golden state, into his metallic state. He probably took him prisoner during the Super Dragon Ball Heroes saga. Made him turn evil again. I'm starting to think Cooler would have been better as a good guy, rather than an evil person. After all, I'm starting to think Cooler is one of my favorite characters in the Dragon Ball Fighters area. Wanna know why? Because of his face mask, buddies. Because of his face mask, buddies. He kind of looks like Predator. He looks like the Predator from the Predator movies. So, when drawing him, you must draw his reflective parts on his body, just so you guys can show that he's gold. And done. Pretty impressive, don't you think, you guys? And done. That is how you draw Golden Metal Cooler. Pretty impressive, don't you think? If you guys must know, this part of his eye is black instead of white. But, so, be sure to look that up yourselves, because, I'm actually a fan of Metal Cooler and his 5th transformation. If you guys are interested in seeing this video again, you can, restart the video if you want. Anyways, that's all the time I have for now. Be sure to like and subscribe. Smash that like button, like, literally. Make sure to leave a comment below on how you feel about this video. And, be sure to keep an eye out for the next time. Be sure to keep an eye out for any more Super Dragon Ball Heroes episodes. And, if you're excited for, oh shoot, I forgot. And done. That's how you draw Metal Cooler. If you're excited for the next episode of Super Dragon Ball Heroes, I've seen the English sub on episode 5 when they saw Janemba. But, if you're excited for episode 6, be sure to leave a comment below, because I'm excited to see another episode real soon. I hear rumors that every month they come up with new episodes. That's all the time I have for now, so bye.